World's best bacon? Let's find out. We recently came through Tennessee on our way to visit our friends Lori and Cameron, who just moved there. And at their suggestion, we stopped by Benton's Smoky Mountains Country Ham.
Madisonville?
In Madisonville, Tennessee. It's a really unassuming place, but they are known far and wide for their smoked pork products.
Cameron and Lori had told us that when you go in there, be prepared to smell like smoke. So
yeah,
Irene sent me in, and I literally was just in there just enough time to grab some and leave. But I walked in, it's a very small storefront, but there's a big giant cardboard box full of these bacon packages out in the not refrigerated. And
yeah.
so it's truly cured bacon, unlike the stuff in the store typically is, you know, it's brined and it's got to be refrigerated. Not this stuff.
Yeah.
It's smoked. It's very smoky, and it might be even too much. We're gonna find out, but.
This place is pretty famous. So the day before you went in, didn't they say that?
Yeah. So when I walked in, there was just one of the customer there, and a guy that worked there was pointing out a little logo and signature on the wall by the door, and it was Guy Fieri had just stopped in and has a little logo when he signed something that was right by the door. So
did you sign your name on the way out?
Yeah, they didn't ask for mine, so the vagabonds were here, but.
That's
so
right.
yeah, they were really nice people, and they had other stuff too. They had different types of ham, and I actually bought some. It's a smoked ham. It's super thin cut. It's kind of like a prosciutto, but it is really smoky. She didn't care for it too much. I liked it, but it's not something you would eat just alone. Like you would put it with something like a cheese and
mozzarella and basil, tomato.
Yeah, something like that. But the bacon, I haven't tried it. So when I bought it, they said make sure you cook it less than you think you would, like normally would.
Because it's concentrated? Like
yeah, well, that's what Cameron said. He said that he cooked it and it was, you know, till it was well done, like he normally would. And he said it's very salty and it's just really concentrated. It was just too much. He said it was something that maybe be good on a burger or something like that, but not just like eating bacon. But I've also heard that if you cook it a lot less, it's very good.
Now, as we mentioned, it doesn't need refrigeration.
Pistol.
She smells the bacon.
Just cook it already, please.
This doesn't need refrigeration, so we've been storing it in this now very smoky drawer in the van. So even though it was suggested to use this bacon in an application that it combines with something else, we are going to try it on a burger. We're going to be grilling those, and we're also going to be trying it just on its own to compare, to see what that is like. Should we get those burgers going? This girl says, yes, please. Okay, we got the grill going, waiting for that to burn down so we can throw the burgers on, and now we are ready to get the bacon down. We have burger.
Ready?
We have bacon. I'm going to try it by itself first to see if it's something I want to put on my burger. Okay. Let's see if I have the palate for such delicacies.
I agree with Cam. It needs to be on something. I like more crispy bacon. This is super smoky.
This is good though.
It's a little saltier and way smokier than normal.
Now, I haven't tried a piece with the fat on it though. I just got really meaty.
It's chewy.
It's very chewy. It's almost like jerky.
It's bacon jerky.
I'm not in love with the fat part.
Don't eat the fat part?
It has a funky flavor to me.
It's like anything else with food,
Yeah.
you get to where you're really used to something,
Oh, sure, you're accustomed to
or
it.
even not just food, but wine. Like I used to really like cheap wine, but then you have friends that serve you really good wine, and it screws you. Then you have to have better wine.
Yeah.
Just like I grew up on canned chili.
Oh, yeah.
I still love that. I mean, I like homemade chili, but
Yeah.
if you can make homemade chili taste like the canned chili,
Right.
it's just what you're used to your whole life.
Of course.
But I like it. I like it. But for eating just plain, I couldn't just eat.
That would be hard.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what we're going to do with the rest of it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I am going to add some candied jalapenos, though. This is where it's at. If you can find some candied jalapenos, these are so good. Can I have a fork, please?
Of course.
Do you want
Ooh.
Hallie's?
I haven't used my spreader all the time. No.
No, you're not doing jalapeno. I'm just doing everything.
That's you.
I know. I'm going to do onion and pickle. Maybe I'll put it over here. More onion. I haven't got the bacon on there yet. What the heck? Do you want onion pickle?
Of course.
And I'm going to do ranch because I'm just crazy that way. Okay, here I go with the bacon. I'm real anxious to try this. On the burger. I feel like I should chop it up maybe, or no? Okay, it's on.
Okay.
I gotta squish it. And I'm going...
You don't need to salt it.
Definitely don't need to salt it. I'm gonna cut it
Oh.
so I can really get a good look.
Okay. No, you gotta get in this thing.
You gotta do the hunch. That's what Guy Fieri. That's it. You gotta do the burger hunch, right?
Ready?
This looks pretty good. Okay, are we gonna... Okay, 3, 2, 1.
That's what the baker's for.
Very good in this application.
Adds a whole big smoky bite to that flavor.
Really, really good with the onion though. And the cheese. I feel like even though the bacon has fat, the fat from the cheese kind of helps mellow it out. It'd be good with avocado too. Bacon with the avocado. Okay, bacon avocado chicken wrap. Yeah?
I like experimenting and trying new things. I'm not sure I'd go out of my way to do it again.
Yeah, this is a question. Is this the best bacon ever?
For some
I'm
people.
gonna say
Well, it's a very
not for me, but this is very fun to try.
best is
Subjective.
very subjective, very individual.
I just got a full bite with the cheese, candied jalapeno, bacon. That was delicious. I would not just eat this like bacon and eggs. For me.
I can see how it can grow on you though.
Yeah? Let's see.
You just gotta like smoky food.
Yeah.
It tastes like I smelled when I got back in the van. And this literally smoked for 3 days, I think. Something like that. Now what?
Well, we are in Vermont, which is where we were last time we saw you. We're not moving very quickly. So who knows where we're going to be next time. We'll see you down the road.
Carry on.
Carry on. For behind the scenes footage, extra content, and all our videos early release and ad free, check out our Patreon page.
And check out our blog on our website, carryonvagabond.com.
Thanks again, and
Carry
carry
on.
on.